Hey folks, Chef Oswald here, ready to share an awesome recipe for a beetroot vegan burger. Want to add a unique twist to your vegan burger game? Well, stick around because I'm about to show you how to make this deliciousness. First, grab an onion and chop it into quarters. Then, throw it in the food processor and pulse it until it looks like rice. In a large skillet, heat up some olive oil and add the onion, sautéing until it's soft and lightly golden. Toss in the minced garlic and keep stirring for another minute. Transfer this mixture into a big bowl. Now, pop those champignon mushrooms into the food processor and pulse until they also resemble rice. In the same skillet, add more olive oil and the chopped mushrooms, sautéing until all the liquid evaporates and they become soft. Transfer these to the bowl with the onion. In the food processor, throw in the smoked or regular tofu, cooked beetroots, drained black beans, tomato paste, vegan mayo, miso paste, oat flour, and ground flaxseed. Season to your liking and process until you get a smooth mixture. Add this to the bowl with the veggies. Next up, put the pecans into the food processor and pulse until finely chopped. Transfer them to the bowl with the tofu and veggie mixture along with the cooked rice. Use your hands to shape this mixture into burger patties, the same size as your burger buns. They can be a bit delicate, so pop them in the fridge for at least 30 minutes before cooking. You can cook them in a skillet over medium heat or grill them on the barbecue. Remember to brush a bit of olive oil on both sides of the patties. Cook for about 5 to 8 minutes on each side, flipping only once they've formed a golden crust. If you're using vegan cheese, top the burgers during the last few minutes of cooking. Now, toast those buns on the grill or in a skillet and spread a generous dollop of pepper and tomato jelly on each one. Load them up with fresh lettuce leaves, the juicy burgers, and a smashed avocado and lemon juice mix. And there you have it. Perfect for any barbecue or family meal. Did you enjoy that? Well, show your support by giving us a thumbs up, subscribing to the channel, and sharing this video with everyone. Have fun cooking and savoring these delicious burgers. Until next time.